Hey guys, what is up? We're back again. Today we are covering something super simple, and I just call it the bad stuff. This list of words that we have that I will post on my GitHub, but I just pulled these from online. You can just look up like 500 5-letter words for Wordle, and you can pull this list in however you want. But you can definitely see like there are some words that you probably won't use that are not normal English words. And so I coded a function back in the day to kind of help with this problem. So that was the list of words. And basically, for this one, it's all going to be a function unless you didn't add the bad word from the last episode. So if not, you can add this right now. Basically, it's on the outcome function. We're going to add this bad word and basically give it a command of bad stuff and bad word dot grid forget. And what this does is that this works twice. So first it's going to launch the bad stuff function, and then it's just going to hide this button from the outcome so you don't press it multiple times. And then so once when you have that, we're just going to come on down and we're just going to look at down here. This bad stuff, global, we're going to make sure we have the win word, unlock, and bad word. Here's a word list for us. And what we are going to do is we're going to open up that file that I sent beforehand, that word.txt, and we're going to read it, and then basically we're going to write on it all the lines except the bad word that we have chosen. We're gonna put all the words in there except the win word. So basically, it's so you don't get the same win word multiple times. So if the word was I don't know, 5-letter word off the top, slept. If the word was slept, it just will make it so it does not come back up in your games. And then with we do the used word file now. So with open used words, we're reading all of them, and then for I in words, we're going to append that that word, and we're going to subtract one from the word list, which is up here. And then basically what we do from there is with open use words, we're going to write for words and word list, we're going to f.write words. So basically we're just rewriting the list. For some reason I struggled with basically reading the list and appending it, and wasn't appending it in the correct spot that I needed it to go. So I rewrite the list and make sure everything stays in the order of chronological, like history kind of deal. And then we basically are appending this win word. Not if it's not win word, we're going to write win word plus redacted. And I think this will make more sense when looking at it than this makes sense here. So I'm going to go ahead and spin up the game. We can see the winning word is, that is probably aphis. I mean, I know that is a word, but for this purpose, let's just get rid of it. So if I go irate, hello, modus, slept, noons is, oh, there's a reason that doesn't pop up. And I can't think of anything else, so we're doing irate again. We'll get, the word was aphis, you lost. We can check scores right now. We can look. I've already redacted one word, and that was from a previous like practice trial thing I was doing before this. So if I X out of this and I hit bad word, it's taking a second, but you'll see that This will go away here. It's really working for it. You can see it went away. And you can see it says 4 now because I clicked it 3 more times. It's just a little slower. But now if we go to our used words, you can see it only says redacted ones here. So I redacted noons prior, and that's why it didn't pop up when I typed in noons here. So now let us try it again. And we'll do a winning condition this time. Here's this. We know it's aloes. We'll give ourselves it on the second one. There we go. You won. You can still see we have the bad word right there. You can see this has corrected itself to 2 now since it's reading that list. And if we hit bad word, and let's give it the full time. Again, my Mac, you can see, is just constantly dying. It has to have a power source. So the processing is not super great. It's about a 10-year-old computer. So we'll give it its time to work through that. But then when we check the score, it should just say 3. It's really thinking about it, though. There we go. For some reason, it's printing out 7. I think it's counting all the games and then adding it, but when you go into... Yeah, it really is. It's every time you just hit, it's going up. So now it's at 26. If I exit out, that's kind of funny. Now if I hit it, it's at 40. And after 40... it goes to 57, so it's adding 17-ish, 16. It's adding 1 per. But if we restarted it, it would just say 3. And if you looked at the used words, it just has it once. So there's something a little wonky with that. And I'm sure it is actually not in the bad word area, but it should be in the scores area. I'm guessing it's something to do with this. If redacted in score 0. That's interesting. I don't know. I'll play around with it, see if I can't get that little bug fixed. But that is what that looks like. And like I said, very simple. A little complex in like the logic kind of realm, but pretty simple. And the next episode's all about to be just play again functionality, which I think will add a little bit more longevity to this code and allows the user to play without exiting and entering the app multiple times. So awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. It helps a whole lot. And stay tuned for the next one. Peace.